time to eat. Everything closed. Yeah. Oh crap, it's still recording. Hey guys, welcome to another Food with Adil video. Today we're making a delicious ribeye steak that is going to be seared on a cast iron pan, and I'm going to be going for a medium well to well done steak, as that is my preference. If you guys want to do a medium rare or rare steak, then pull it off slightly earlier and use less times than I do in the video. You should be good to go, but for my preference, this is going to be a medium well to well done steak. So let's go ahead and see how this steak is done in the cast iron pan. So let's start by preheating our cast iron pan to as hot as we can get it. While that's heating up, here is my meat of choice, and I'm using a ribeye steak which has this beautiful fat marbling that's going to give us tons of flavor. Brush and oil of your choice. I'm using rapeseed oil, but you can use whatever oil you have at hand. Then I will season this on both sides with some salt, pepper and garlic powder. Once our cast iron pan is hot enough, we can lower on our steak, and this is going to sear on this side for around 4 minutes to get a beautiful crust. And 4 minutes later we can turn this and just look at that charring and crust development. Now we can let the other side cook on there again for the next 4 minutes or until it's reached your desired doneness. While it's cooking on this side, I'm going to add a couple of stems of thyme, 2 cloves of garlic which I've crushed under a knife, a knob of butter with a splash of oil. I'm going to start basting the steak with all the butter and the fatty juices in the pan, and literally just tilting the pan back and pouring over the juices back on the steak. This helps to give the steak extra flavor, cook it faster and keep that steak super juicy. Now when your steak is done, pull it off and let it rest in a plate between 5 to 10 minutes while covering it in some foil or baking sheet. After around 5 minutes, our steak is ready to eat. We will cut this against the grain of the fibers to keep every bite juicy. Now let's give this a try. So here we are guys, ribeye steak cooked well done, and it's the only way I like it. I don't like pink in any meat, if I'm honest. Some of you might think that's weird, but I don't like pink in my meat. I'm just gonna give this a quick try now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That garlic powder on top, it just gives the extra kick and flavor, and the few charred edges on this meat, like the edges here and the fat in there, it gives it some delicious taste. Beautiful double fried chips here. If you want to know how to make these, I've got a video that I've linked down below, and you can add a delicious mushroom sauce with this steak. I've also got the recipe and the ingredients in a video I've done previously down in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna go and eat these. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you for everyone who's watched up to this point. If you guys enjoyed the video, do hit that like button, subscribe for more new content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further videos I upload to this channel. Thank you so much. I don't want to talk because this is right in front of me. Be safe, stay safe, be kind to one another, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.